Welcome back to the new session of educational videos from Best Care Forum.
I am Rika and I'm 26 years old. Living with one leg doesn't mean that you are incapable. That's why I wanted to study sport management. My purpose is I want to join able-bodied and disabled-bodied people together through sports. I started to write my blog because I wanted to show people that everybody can overcome the challenges they face in life. My very big next goal is to be a triathlete, a para-triathlete. So I swim, I bike, and I run. I have lost my leg in a car accident, 2014. I was really afraid of driving, and I made my driving license last year. So I am happy to travel all over Hungary and discover the places.
My name is Bailey East. I'm 19. I'll be turning 20 in a month, and I am from New Braunfels, Texas. My grandmother has a horse named Jumping Jack Flash. When she broke her ankle, she wasn't able to take care of him. So I started helping her take care of him, taking her over there so that she could see him, so that he wouldn't forget or get lonely or feel like she had abandoned him. My relationship with Jack is still a little rocky because he's not as used to me as he is to my grandmother. So we're still working on that. I'm extremely grateful to not have to stare at my feet when I'm walking around with my family. I can actually enjoy my surroundings and look up and see the world around me instead of having to stare at my feet. It felt pretty good to be able to dance like almost a normal person. There's a lot of things that the sea lake has helped me to reclaim, and it's a pretty amazing feeling.
I hope you like the educational videos from Best Care Forum. Please, if you have any suggestion, if you have any question, write your comment under the same video or contact us with 00971 50911 0216. My name is Smili. I will answer you 24 hours, 7 days a week. Or write an email to us with the same email you can see on the display right now. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for using these educational videos to be able to provide better services to your community and to your patients. God bless you all. Stay healthy and see you soon. Thank you.
The stance flexion resistance can be set up in the adjustment software for the patient individually. Based on body weight and lower leg length, a recommendation for the value is shown in the software in the field Recommendation. First, the adjustment stance flexion resistance is checked while performing a sitting down movement. The patient should be able to load the prosthesis while sitting down. The flexion velocity should meet the patient's need. The value can be adjusted via the adjustment software. In the next step, the stance flexion resistance has to be checked while going downstairs. The value should meet the patient's need. If the patient has the feeling that he is sinking down too fast, for example, the value can be adjusted in small increments via the software. Finally, the value has to be checked while walking down a ramp. Here too, the value can be adjusted if necessary. The final adjusted stance flexion resistance must offer the patient a satisfactory level of support in all three situations.